This is how to fix the error code E9 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the CDI Highflow Combi boiler, this problem is likely caused because the overheat thermostat is tripped. First, check the pressure, and if this is low, then try topping it up. You can learn how to do this by clicking on the link in the description below. If the error is still showing, then we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below. Simple as that.